Hey everyone, this is how to turn on notifications in Klarna. So in order to do that, first open the settings app on your mobile device, and from here tap on the search bar at the top and go ahead and type in apps. After you type in apps, tap on the first option, and here you'll see many options on your screen. Simply tap on the second option called manage apps, and here you'll see all the apps that you have installed. So here you can again go ahead and tap on the search bar and type in Klarna. After you search Klarna, you'll see many options on your screen. So scroll down until you see an option called notifications. Tap on it, and from here you can just tap on show notifications, and this is how you can turn on notifications in Klarna. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.